Welcome back to my channel. In this video we talk about the magic of storytelling and why is storytelling so important in today's world. Because storytelling is a superpower. So, what exactly is storytelling? Well, it's the art of sharing a series of events in a way that captures your audience's attention. Maybe you're presenting an idea at work, convincing a friend to try a new restaurant, or even explaining a new game to your little cousin. In all these situations, you're using storytelling to connect with others, share information, and make your point clear. Storytelling is powerful in all sorts of fields. Teachers use stories to explain complex concepts and make learning fun. Leaders use stories to inspire their teams and communicate their vision. Marketers use stories to sell products and connect with their audience. Here's how good storytelling can benefit you. A clear and engaging story can make any idea more interesting. People are more likely to remember your messages. Build stronger relationships. Sharing a funny or personal experience allows others to build trust. Boost your creativity. Storytelling is a muscle, and the more you use it, the stronger it gets. The bottom line is, storytelling is a valuable skill for everyone, no matter who you are or what you do. Let me know in the comments below how you use storytelling in your daily life. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.